Education Department.
Morning, ladies and gents, judges on the floor, timekeeper. The question is, if failure builds character, how much failure do we need? Now, speaking from experience, I've been in many competitions similar to this. The very first time was in regionals. I practiced hard, and no matter how hard I tried, I barely reached the surface. I've only placed third place. That was my first failure. In the second time, in international competition, no, national competition, I practiced so hard. I practiced day and night, not just from myself, but from the best of the best. To stand here from where I am now. Throughout all my failures and throughout all my hardships, I stand here proudly as a student from BIT, and I encourage all of you, do not let your failures be setbacks. Do not let your failures define who you are, because at the end of the day, it builds character. It does not matter how hard you try or how many times you failed. It matters how many times you get up. And I say this to you, all the youths, carry these words in your heart and engrave a monument of change in the course of history. As a Filipino and as a youth of today, please stand up and do not give up. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you so much.